How to create a Reddit account. Go ahead and open up your Reddit application on your mobile device. You can also create an account using your web browser or in your PC. So you have two methods. If you tap on continue with email, you have to go ahead and manually enter your email address and your password. Then, if you want to continue with Google, you can select any account that is linked to your device. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to sign up with the respected Gmail account. Now once you have signed up on it, it will ask you for your gender, so you have to go ahead and select it. Next, it will ask you for some of your preference. You can select at least of 5. For safety reasons, I was not allowed to record over it. Once you have set up your account, you will be redirected to your own Reddit account. You can allow the permission it asks for. Now tap on your avatar icon. From there, you can head to your profile, from which you can check out your post, reset your display name, and also share your profile URL. If you face any problem regarding the creation of your account, you can head back from your application and open up your Play Store or App Store. In here, we'll be searching for Reddit. Now tap on it. If there was an update, you have to leave it for an update. If not, check for your Wi-Fi connection as well. And that wraps up this tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.